Hi Nail Fam, I hope that you guys are doing well. I did receive another PR package from Melodysusie. They were kind enough to send me over 4 of their new products that they've recently launched, and I was pleasantly surprised to see that full cover nail tips were included. So in today's video, I'll just be opening up all of these different products and we'll do a quick demonstration. All right, we're going to get started with this first nail drill bit here. And this is their new and improved 5-in-1 nail drill bit. Now, the first person that actually told me about 5-in-1s, I think, was Jamalita Nails. And then Lisa from Nail to the Hustle sent me one in one of her mystery boxes. Shout out to those 2 ladies. So Melodysusie sent me this and I was like, yay, I finally got a new upgrade. So this officially is called a 5-in-1 Pro Tungsten Carbide Nail Drill Bit. And you can use this to remove base gel. You can use this to remove acrylic gels or polygels. Here's how the packaging is looking. How cute. Have you ever seen the packaging of a nail drill bit? So pretty. Absolutely beautiful. And if you look, you can see that there's like a little piece down to the bottom of this drill bit, which is something new to me as well. Like usually with all of the other drill bits that I have, there's no little extra piece to the bottom. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this out. I have my Melodysusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill, and we're just going to go ahead and unlock this to release the drill bit that I have in here. And if you look at this, there's nothing to the bottom. I actually have this pink guard thing here that Lisa sent me to protect the dust from getting into the nail drill. So I just wanted to show you side by side what the difference is. And I'm assuming that that extra piece down to the bottom is to protect the dust. But since I'm not sure, I'm still going to go ahead and stick on the little pink dust protector thing here. All right, so we have that into our nail drill and it fits nice and snug. I'm going to go ahead and lock this and then we're just going to turn it on to see. This is pretty unique because towards the tip of the drill, it's very fine. In the middle of the drill bit, it's medium. And then towards the ends of the drill bit or the upper part of the drill bit is actually really coarse. So you're able to do multiple different nails with this one drill bit. And I thought that was pretty cool. All right, so I have my little fake finger here. And when you're using it to clean up the cuticles or remove base gel, which is what I'm demonstrating here, we're just going to pretend that there's base gel here and that I'm cleaning up the cuticles. You want to only stick towards the tip of the nail drill bit. So you see, if I'm doing the cuticles, I'm staying right towards the tip. And if I'm removing base gel, I'm using the first third of the drill bit. So just bear in mind to stick to the area of the nail drill bit based on the type of nail surface that you have. Okay, so we're now going to move on to the next product. And as you can see from the packaging, it is pretty self-explanatory. These are Half Moon nail files and they are in the grid of 100, 180 and they are pink and super cute. So for all of those ladies that love that pink aesthetic, this is for you. And they are individually wrapped, which I thought was a nice touch. I think for some it might be a little bit of plastic wastage, but for others that do not want to have to worry about their products getting any dust on them, just the fact knowing that these are already individually wrapped is a good, and they feel really strong. They don't feel flimsy that some nail files can feel like. I've purchased nail files from Shein or Amazon, and sometimes they are a bit flimsy and cheap. So definitely some strong nail files here. I'm going to do a quick demonstration just in case somebody's new to my channel and they have no idea how nail file work. Now, I've mentioned there are 2 sides. This one is the 100 core side and this one is the 180 side, and it is relatively smooth. When I'm working on natural nails, like this, for example, is a natural nail bed, I will use the 180 side and I will use this to remove the surface shine or to remove any products that might be on the nail. When you're filing your nails, do not go back and forth, up and down, sideways, up and down, all kind of the places. That's not how you file the nail. You don't want to be rough on the nails. What you want to do is file nails file the nails in one direction and maintain that one direction. So if you like to file your nails down from top to bottom, or you like to file nails vertically or horizontally, stick to that one motion, especially when you're working on natural nails, so that you don't actually disturb the flow of how that person's natural nail is going to grow. Okay. However, if this was dip powder, or if this was some other product onto the nail, definitely use the 100 side to remove any thicker products. But for natural nails, 180 or even a 240. All right. So the next product here for Melodysusie is this nail clipper, which is really handy for those of us that like to change the shape of a nail. Sometimes I do long nails and then I have to do work. I have to do my studying with my accounting books and I have to do typing. So I'd like to clip my nails down. This little piece here, like this, me and this little piece are always fighting because I always confused to how to actually get it on. And that's for persons that want to size up different fingers. But I'm not concerned about that. This is what I like about this particular product, is that it catches the nail files into that little clear little draw pocket to the back there. So instead of my nail clippings parachuting across the table, going all over the place, you know, hitting the customer in the eye, you can use these little nail clippers and it catches the little nail clippings right at the back. And once it get full, obviously then you would empty it out after each client. You know, don't be leaving them clippings collecting in there. And the client got to see that. It's a no-no. All right. Now we're going to move on to these full cover nail tips, which I am extremely happy to see. I love full cover nails, and a lot of brands are coming out with their own variety of a gelx dupe. So I'm really happy to see that Melodysusie is jumping on the bandwagon. I hope that they launch more and more nails and that they come up with their own little kind of gelx dupe system. The box actually was impressive as well. It's really strong. It's not one of those flimsy boxes that it could open and all your nails spill out. This was actually pretty strong with a nice little snap lock feature there. I already looked at these before I did this video, so one is missing. So my client said after I finished filing up a nail, she won't go a little long. She won't go for the stiletto bodies. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick demonstration of sizing up what a natural nail bed would look like. This is what I would do if I had a client. I would size up their nails after I've already filed, buffed, and prepped their nails, and find their size, and then we're going to go ahead and apply it using some nail gel glue. All right, so here is a side profile of the nail. We got a nice little arch there. She ain't too flat and she is not too curved, and I'm bending it here just to show you that it is actually soft gel. So usually with acrylic nails, they would leave like this white mark and then they do not get back into shape. Once you bend it, that's it. Dog eat your lunch. But with full cover soft gel nails, which is what I love and which is actually what I'm certified in, guys. I'm actually certified. I have to keep reminding myself that I need to keep practicing so I don't forget what I'm actually trained to do with the soft gel full cover soft gel nail tips. So we're going to pretend that I'm actually serving a client right now. And what I would do is after I'm done filing and buffing her natural nail bed, I'm going to go ahead and grab some primer. And I'm going to apply primer to her natural nail bed. And this is just going to give it a nice chemical etching and have it ready for the full cover nail tip. I will be applying this soft gel with a gel glue. I will not be using an acrylic glue. If this was an acrylic nail, I would use an acrylic glue. I'm using a gel nail. I will use a gel glue. What I'm doing here is also doing a little bit of a chemical etching to the full cover nail as well. So you saw me do her natural nail bed, and now I'm going to do the not so natural nail bed of the full cover nail. After both nails have been dried and I feel that resistance, you keep stroking until you feel that resistance. That's how you know that the etching is complete. Then you're going to go ahead and apply your gel glue to the full cover nail. I like to try not to apply too thickly because then you'll have a lot of seepage, and just add just a tiny little bit towards the tip of the nail, the base of the nail. What I'm also going to do is before I stick my brush back into the bottle, I'm just going to go in with a very, very thin layer of whatever is left over on my brush. And I'm also going to apply that to the natural nail bed of the client. And this is a simple and easy way to make sure that your nail stays on and it doesn't pop off. Okay, so we're just about done. I just wanted to do a quick demonstration using the products, and I didn't want to do them on my hand, so just bear with me. So I have some of these. I have a gel polish here from Melodysusie. I also have their base and their top coat. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration of me painting the nails. I will probably do a full set at some point in a separate video, but I just wanted to at least show you guys how easy it is to apply the nails and also using their products. So I'm gonna go in with a layer of base gel using Melodysusie base gel. They have a nice thick but not too thick products. I love their products. Good coverage as well. Gonna give that a cure under a lamp. Then we're gonna go ahead and apply the gel polish of your choice, the color of your choice. And we're just gonna go in with a thin layer first. Once we have that first layer down, then I'm going to go back in with a second layer. And as you can see, we have some good coverage from the Melodysusie gel polishes. Like we really, like it's not one coat coverage. You know, not a lot of brands can do that one coat coverage. But if you polish properly, you might be able to get away with one coat. And that's pretty amazing for Melodysusie. But I did 2 coats anyway, just to be on the safe side, because I wanted to have that opacity. Now, I do have a discount code, and that will be linked down in the description box. If you're interested in any of these Melodysusie products, definitely go and check out their website. Use my discount code or any discount code that you come across and save a few bucks. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick tutorial on all these amazing products from Melodysusie. I will see you in the next video.